Hey girlies, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I just want to do like a nice soft smoky kind of eyeshadow look. I'm going to be using this Tom Ford eyeshadow quad. I have the 28 de la creme. Really nice neutrals, very soft as well, so perfect for this look. So I've already primed my eyelids with the MAC Pro Longwear paint pot. So let's begin. I'm going to start off with that shade and I'm going to put it all over the lid. So then I'm gonna take the darker shade and I'm just gonna put it like the outer edges. Take a little bit more, just a tiny bit. And then I'm going to take the eyeshadow brush that I use for the transition shade. Blend here at the top. I'm gonna go use the same concealer brush that I use for this makeup look, just to clean up the edges. And then I'm gonna take the brightest shimmer in there, the lightest rather, and I'm going to put that in the corners. And then I'm going to take the darker shimmer, right next to it. I'm gonna take the blending brush that I used for the transition all over lid shade, just blend it out. And then the brush I use for the darkest to lid shade, no extra product, blend out. Then the same applicator stick, kind of merge these two together. Put that too far back. Fix that. I'm gonna take this all over transition shade, just put that right in between the shimmer and the darkest. And I'm going to finish up the look with a brown eyeliner for the bottom liner, for the bottom eyeline, sorry, the bottom lash line. Okay, so I'm going to put on liquid eyeliner, lashes, and I'll be back with the completed look. Okay, so I'm back with liner and lashes and mascara on. So this is what we're looking like for the eye. So this is a really nice type of eye look that can easily take you from day to night. So we reached the end of today's video. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Please like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.